Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Coursera's peer-graded assignments are an important component of many courses on the platform. These assignments allow learners to assess and provide feedback to each other, enhancing the learning experience through peer collaboration and evaluation. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to share a Coursera assignment link with your peers. 1. Access the assignment. Begin by logging into your Coursera account and navigating to the course that contains the assignment you want to share. 2. Find the assignment. Locate the specific peer-graded assignment that you wish to share with your peers. This could be in the form of a quiz, project, essay, or any other type of assignment. 3. Generate shareable link. Look for the option to share the assignment with your peers. Coursera typically provides a share button or option that generates a unique link for that particular assignment. 4. Copy the link. Click on the shareable link provided by Coursera to copy it to your clipboard. This link will direct your peers to the specific assignment you want them to review. 5. Share the link. You can now share the copied link with your peers through email, messaging apps, discussion forums, or any other communication channel that you prefer. 6. Peer review. Once your peers receive the link, they can access the assignment, review your submission, and provide feedback based on the guidelines provided in the course. Here's an example of how you can use Python to generate a shareable link for a Coursera assignment. In this example, you would replace the assignment _ID and course _ID with the actual IDs provided by Coursera for your specific assignment and course. Running this Python script would generate a shareable link that you can then share with your peers for review. Remember to always follow the guidelines and instructions provided by your course instructor regarding peer-graded assignments to ensure a smooth and fair evaluation process.